Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bublis World Cuisine. In this mug, I have a lemon cake which I made in my microwave in just 1 minute. Now, that's not the best part. The best part is it's a keto diet friendly mug cake and it's a gluten free one, low carb, and you can enjoy it guilt free. Now, this is how the inside looks like. It's super moist, comes together very quickly, and once you make it, you're gonna make it again and again. Now, if you're ready to see how I made it, let's get started. First of all, we need a mug. Well, it's a mug cake, so definitely we need a mug. What you want to do is grease the mug. So I'm using few drops of extra virgin coconut oil and I'm rubbing it on the bottom of the mug and also on the sides. Brushing it with some grease will help the cake rise properly and you don't want to skip this part. Next, I'm taking another mug because I like to make it on a different mug. This is one large egg, and you want to make sure that your egg is at room temperature. All you gotta do is beat this egg just a little bit, and after put in all the other ingredients. After beating the egg, I'm gonna add some extra virgin coconut oil. I have 1 teaspoon of oil here, and coconut oil actually complements all the other ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. Next goes 2 tablespoons of plant-based sweetener. Now, if you don't want it to be a keto mug cake, you can just substitute it with regular sugar, spoon for spoon. Whisk it together, egg and sugar is mixed all together. Now I'm gonna use the key ingredient, lemon. You want to make sure your lemon is clean because we are going to use the zest, and it's best if you can use organic lemon because we are going to use the zest of it. Okay, we need a quarter of a teaspoon, and I have grated it. And you never use the white bits of lemon when you take the zest because it's bitter and it's going to ruin your dessert. First, you want to take the zest and then you cut it and take the juice out of it. So now I'm putting 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. That's the key ingredient for this mug cake, and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavoring. Next comes a quarter cup of almond flour. Now, because we are using almond flour, it becomes gluten free, and quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder as well. We had some zest, and I'm using quarter of a teaspoon. If you like the flavor more, you can go for half a teaspoon. I just like it to be quarter of a teaspoon according to my taste. Now you just want to whisk it together. It comes together very quickly, and we are using almond flour, so there is no risk of over whisking. Okay, now everything is ready, and I'm going to transfer it to the mug where I'm going to bake it. And that's why I like to mix everything on a different cup so that it's neat. And especially when I'm doing a video, I want it to be neat. This goes in the center of your microwave just for 1 minute. Now, everyone's microwave is different, so you might want to do intervals of 30 seconds, and it might need more than 1 minute in your microwave. Okay, my lemon keto mug cake is all ready. And I hope that from the video you can see how moist it comes out. Now you can eat it on its own, but if you want to spoil it further, then you can do the next thing I'm doing. Put your favorite toppings. I'm using some Greek yogurt and also some blueberries just to garnish it. And later I'm gonna put just a little bit of lemon zest, and that's it. I made it in a minute in my microwave, and I can eat it guilt free because I haven't used any sugar in it. It was plant based sweetener, and it's made with almond flour, which makes it really healthy. So I really hope you like the recipe. If you find it useful, please click the thumbs up button. That will really encourage me. And I have more keto friendly recipes on my channel. Just have a look. If you find them useful, you might want to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone. Take care and bye for today.